This is a spot on the cliffs of Hallett Cove we used to fly until a couple of years ago. When our knees still worked a bit better, but there were steps right down to the rocky shelf as you get right down there away from other people and enjoy a fly. It's been in the news recently because a car managed to plummet right over the cliff. So you can see these steps. Let's say they were well built, very useful for those who want to make the effort. But now they've been replaced with a high-level walkway. Must have cost a fortune, but admittedly it gives a lot of other people access to it. So this is the view when I went out this morning. This car went over about a day ago. It's been reported the handbrake failed and it sort of went over backwards over the cliff. So that's a Cherry Tiggo, I'm told, a very new one. What impresses me is the way the passenger compartment's not deformed. You could have possibly survived that if you were in the driver's seat. Fortunately, there was no one in at the time. So it's going to be difficult to retrieve that. Years ago, the army did an exercise where they retrieved wrecks from the cliffs, but whether the council can persuade them. And here's where in Hove, you can see the tyre tracks, and the owner was very unlucky to have the car go between two bollards. So there's this steel wire that's been broken, you can see there, but either side of the tyre tracks, and that's what the car looked like. There was a pole, and if it hit either pole, it probably would have stopped it going over. And here's one final look at it at the bottom of the cliff. So it's below the high tide, so it's getting washed backwards and forwards as things go. So not something you want or expect to see on a beach, but yeah, things that happen.